Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we are going to add our first post. So the thing is that by default after 5.0 version WordPress is using a new editor for the editing, and the classic editor. If you want to install the classic editor, you can go to the plugins, add a new plugin, and you can install the classic editor plugin, and it will give you the older version of the editor, which is very easy to handle. Now we will just go to posts and we will just create a new post, and here we want to create a new post. Now you can see the classic editor. Okay, so right away I have just the text. I will just paste this text, and now we will just give a heading, and I am just going to add the heading top. Okay, let's make it 10 ways to make you smart and lose fat fast. Okay, so this is a article which we want to add. This is the main heading, and definitely heading is in the title. So sorry, the main title. So this is the heading, and now this is a text, overall text. Okay, one important thing is that this text is totally messed up, and you can see there is no images in the text, there is no headings at all, and other problems you can see. So if you want to create a proper article, make sure that after every line, when it is a dot, okay, in the end, you should start a new line. So for example, here this text is absolutely fine, okay, but if you will go in the bottom here, and you can see a mess here. Okay, so this is totally wrong method of writing the article. Okay, so whenever you write a article, make sure that you should give a new paragraph. You should start a new paragraph after every dot. Okay, so here you can see, I think we have a dot, where we have a dot. Okay, live, here it is, just enter. Okay, new paragraph is important. Then after that we have this dot. Okay, and then we have some other dot or not. Okay, colon, and yeah, here it is. Okay, so every dot, after every dot, you have to start a new paragraph. It is important. Okay, so it is easy to read for the visitors, and Google will give you a better ranking. Okay, so now you can see this style is quite good. So these images, so you can definitely create a featured image for your blog. Definitely there are certain websites which from where you can get some images for the health, fitness, etc., and definitely you can utilize that images. Free non-copyright images are also available. Sorry, I will just fitness, not the free. Okay, and you can definitely utilize that images if you want. If you have your own images, it's very nice, but if you don't have your images, you can definitely utilize images from free resources. Okay, So here you can see I just have chosen these 3 images, and definitely freepik.com is a good website. You can right away you can download these images. So for example, this first images I have downloaded, then I will just download these 3 images so that our article should be beautiful. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. So let's wait for some seconds, and after image download we will just move further. Okay, so after that this one, so these images we have downloaded. Now these images are actually very high quality, and we don't want to overweight our website. Okay, so always make sure that your image size is very important. It should be within the limits. So if you will add very high images, your speed time of your website will be compromised. So here I have the size which we have collected the image from the blog in past. So this is the main size which we want for our images, and I will just bring out these images over here, over there. Okay, what happens? Failed. Okay, so now I just bring out this image over here, and I am just going to save it from Photoshop after resizing to your desktop or any other place. And the name of the image is also important, so I am using the JPEG format, and I'm just giving it name 10 ways to remove fat fast. Okay, so this is the name of the image, and just save it. And here you can see that the size is quite big, 757. You don't need this, so let's click on optimized. Okay, and after optimization let's make it medium. Okay, so 146 is a fine size, no issue. We will just click on OK, and now our first image is ready. Similarly, we will just bring the other image. So for example, this image, let's bring it here, and let's bring it here and resize it according to our scale. Okay, and now we will just save it, save as JPEG, or you can save it in PNG or WebP as well. And we will just name it for example work. So the names should be relevant. Okay, although it's not very important, but I'm just giving it name. And the size you can see is very exceeded. Just bring it small, compress, medium, and now it's good. Okay, so image size is very important, otherwise your website will be very heavy. Okay, and the third image, let's bring it here and let's make it bigger, and let's save it. We can name it, for example, fitness training. Okay, or any relevant name, and optimized, medium, size should be normal, and then okay. So now 3 images are created. Now we can actually close the Photoshop. We don't need it. Now we will move back to the our article. Okay, and on the article now we can actually place the images. So the first thing is that on the top you can see there is no heading, whether you looking for to improve your and we can actually add the heading on the top as well. So let's add a new heading here. So let's add it here, for example. Now we will just give a heading, very nice heading. So for example, best Oh, where is my best ways to remove fat? Okay, so this is a heading, and definitely people can search this as well in Google. So we will just go to here and we will just change it to heading 2. So this is heading 1, which is the title, and this on the page itself we should use heading 2. Okay, and I would recommend that heading should be heading 2 also you should choose only once or 2 or 3 times maximum if very important keywords are there, and then you can see that we have this paragraph in a proper way, that's fine, and then we have the start strength training. So here I will just place a image, so I will just add here an image. So let's bring out the image. So where is the image thing? Add media, and let's go to the upload media, and here we can just go to desktop, Passman TV, and this image I want to add it on top, and here you can see alternative text and the title is there. So I will just copy the title and just paste it into alternative text. Okay, so alternative also good if for example if someone go to the Google, let's go google.com, and he type here for example incern, and then if he go to the images, you will see that he will find out the images which has that link. Okay, that has that name indeed for that specific keyword. Okay, so this is also very good for the search index, and you can just insert it, and now this image is added. Definitely you can select the image and you can bring it in the middle maybe. Okay, so then we have the first heading, and this is actually a list, and we can if you want to remove the list, you can remove the list as well. If you want to keep the list, we can keep the list as well, but I think I will just remove the list. Okay, and okay, I don't know list is removed or not, and then we can just select it and just make it heading 3. Okay, so now this is heading 3, and for every title, for example this is the second target, we can make it capital with heading 3. Okay, so I'm using heading 3 for these headings. Okay, and there are 10 total ways, so after 5th way we can add another image, I think. So let's add here, sorry, Control Z, and let's add a image here. So media, upload, and the fitness training maybe. And I will just copy the title and paste it in alternative text. Okay, these are very small steps, but very important steps. Okay, so make sure you should follow the techniques, and then again heading 3, then again heading 3. Definitely we have the third image as well, so we can actually add that image now. I think this is the 8, and where is the 9? Okay, yeah, after that we have the 10, and where is the 9th heading? Summary and audio. Okay, no issue. I think here we have drink coffee, try high intensity. Okay, we can make it 2 headings. Got it. Okay, and this will be the 9th heading. Why it is 10? Because we don't have any 9 heading, and this is 8th, and here we have only the text, and I don't know. Then we should have this 9 heading, I think. Okay, let's move it to uncheck this list thing, and I don't know why this is happening, although we should have okay, so I will solve that issue later on, no issue. And for now I will just make it heading 3, and if we select everything, for example till here, heading, and we remove. Okay, let's make it dot maybe, or 1 2 3. Now if we check 1 2 3 4 8, some reason I don't know why the 9 is missing. 9 is missing, although we have everything fine. Anyhow, we will just leave. We don't want to waste too much time here in thinking that why 9 is not here. I will solve it later on. So for now I will just add another image here, add media, upload media, select file, and the third image, workout image, and we'll just copy and paste the title. Definitely you can add another title, and for the alternative text you can use another text as well, no issue. And then we can make it in the middle, and that's beautiful. Our article is done. Now on the right side, if you will see, we have these categories which we have created, and we definitely have the health category where we have to add this. So health category is checked, and other categories I will remove which are irrelevant. And here on the top we have the post views, etc., no issue. And if you will find out here a Mazid, the further feature image option here, feature image. So click here, and I will just add this feature image for the main article as well. And after writing out the article, we can just click on publish, and that's it. Our article is successfully added, and our article will be published hopefully. So let's go to the dashboard, let's go to the main site, and let's check it out that how our article will be displayed. So now you can see we have this nice article, and we will definitely fix out these things, these sliders, and we will learn, and we will just keep it in a proper way, so don't be worried about. And here you can see that health news, fonts, etc. We will fix these things later on, but here you can see the article is there, and if we click on the article, you will see that the article is displayed beautifully and nice with a nice bigger image on the top. Okay, so we should use one image only for the feature, because this image I have used again later on. So here you can see I used this image again. Okay, no issue, that's fine. And then the other image, definitely image sizes are very small, so you can actually change the size. And yeah, here you can see on the 8th article, for some reason you can see that the paragraphs are not visible here. So I think the formatting is not fine, so we have to format the article properly. You can see although in the article everything was looking fine, but I think because we have converted our editor from block to old classic system, that's why maybe we have these issues. So although in the article we can see that it looks that these are different paragraphs, but maybe these are not different paragraphs. So for example, if you can see here, yeah, I think these are different blocks and not the paragraphs. So if we go here, and again if we click and type here, and then again if we update it, let's test it out, the first one. And now if we save it, yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so we have to format it properly because that was the older block editor, so that's why we are actually facing the issues. So we should do this manually. Okay, so this ad is appearing here on the right side. These things we will definitely fix out, because this is not only the SEO course, we have to solve the other issues as well. And indeed you can see now it's fine. I think maybe initially it was the issue or loading issue maybe, but now the paragraphs looks fine. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Next video we'll move further and we will learn little more things related to SEO of the content.